This is an early morning view of Shiloi Lake. The delegation of the Naga People's Front have reached Shiloi Lake late at night, last night. And today we will be proceeding to Awangkung to protest against the scrapping of free movement regime and border fencing. This is beautiful, nature's gift to the Naga people. You can see above the Shiloi Lake a tall mountain, beautiful. This Shiloi Lake is in Phokhungri Naga country, a gift, a wonderful creation of God gifted to the Naga people. As John Keats said, a thing of beauty is a joy forever.
Fencing! Border fencing! Border fencing! Border fencing! Border fencing! Border fencing! Border fencing! Don't divide! Naga's border! Don't divide! Naga's border! Don't divide! Naga's border! Don't divide! Naga's border! NPF against border fencing! NPF against border fencing! NPF against